Ya, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I want to make video about IoT project again. That is about RemoteXY. RemoteXY. Okay, so this location we use Arduino. Yeah, Arduino IDE for the app. So this the last icon project, and that's it. A little difficult, yeah, because we use a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first use your remote XJ. Open Chrome and search remote XJ.com. Okay, because sorry for the UI interface here is very bad, ugly, but it's more for the function. Okay, the first you should start the project. Click on editor in here. Hmm, that's the loading. Okay, we will wait. While waiting, let's look the Arduino IDE. Yeah, you should install Arduino IDE. The version is 22.3.7. I'm use this version. Okay, Hmm. And this for the program and how to get the program. Waiting for the XA is now. XA as showing as yes, the is very strange and ugly, but okay. The first use so at the ports manager in here you should add the ESP8266. Okay. The ESP has been installed before because it has been have installed ESP8266. Nah, in library manager you insert remote XY. Nah, is should installed itself there in remote XY. What is in the library manager while SP 8266 is in the port manager. Nah, in here, you can add for the UI function, the controls, example this button. Or you can adjust. In here, you can change in the right panel. To do that, let's take the configuration for the connection. Right? First connection is to unuse your Wi-Fi. Okay. Next, the port I'm use if how do you know? We use I don't know. We use .mcu. This .mcu v3. Okay, next the module we use integrated with Wi-Fi. And the last is Arduino IDE for the program. Okay, apply. Okay, the important thing is step the pins we change to the D4. Okay, sorry. For the settings, the first ID for the ID for the Wi-Fi access. It is changes on X here. Password is 1 to 8. The port is 6377 is don't be changed. Nah, okay. Again. Okay, so in here, we use ESP and method and again display. Okay. The LED is connected to pin GND and VCC. Okay. VCC. T6. Okay. And the connection uses a micro type micro USB cable. Yes. For connect to laptop or the power. Because in here your phone. Okay, use the phone. Uh, install RemoteXY apps. Yes, this RemoteXY like this. Click, and you can uh make a new device. Click. Here you can make a device. Use a Wi-Fi point. Use a Wi-Fi point. Okay, the port code is same, yeah, like before, like before. Like the report is same like before. Okay, let's search device. Remote.exe. In here, click. Okay, let's enter the password. Okay, uh, this UI or this interface is showing the button is on and off. So you can, okay, in here you can see in the left is turn off, but uh, this is connect power. You can see in here when I'm turn on. Just like this. We play button switching on and turn on and turn off. Let's see. Okay. This we use a Wi-Fi connection. Okay. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry. Made many mistakes. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.